Now there's another important thing is Facebook ad policies. And guys, for image also keep one more thing in mind. Either do vertical images, like you can design an image in this format, just the left hand side of my photo. You can design in this format or design in square format. Don't go for the rectangular format. Why? I'll tell you why once again. See, for example, people are browsing your ad in mobile. This is their mobile. So if you go for a rectangular image, your ad will come in this area, right? Just a small piece of area. Let's say your ad is coming here. But if you do a square image, your ad will come like this. And just imagine if you are able to do a vertical image, your ad will come like this. So why should you go for vertical image or a square image? Because you are paying the same amount to Facebook. But if you can occupy more space in the same area, you can show more ad. So user will be focused, right? Instead of seeing 2-3 ads at once, the user will be able to see your entire ad. So there's more chances to get clicks and conversions. That's a, like you can say, a trick or something. Okay, and then we'll move on to next thing, Facebook ad policies. I'll just go to Google, type Facebook ad policies. Just go to this link once. Just note it down, Facebook ad policies. Go to Google and type it out, and just go through this entire thing once. It's not a big terms and conditions document. It's a small thing. Like in 15 minutes, you can read these things carefully. So do remember to read this thing entirely before creating your ad. Otherwise, your ad account might get banned. Okay. So do remember to clearly read each and everything. How much text is allowed, which kind of content is allowed, what should you do, what should you should not do, those kind of things. Okay.